Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Shits and Giggles. My name is Kai and today we are going to surprise everybody. We are going to be doing fun with food recipes. Basically it's anything that we can think of that's out of the ordinary that you may or may not eat. Let's get at it. Well everybody, right here we have a couple pork burgers and a couple apple fritters that I'm going to throw the pork burgers in the pan and fry them up and see what we come up with. Look at that. So we just cut open our apple fritter buns. As you can see, nice little pieces of apple in there. Add a little bit of cheese. The pork burger is going to go right on top. The birds are really happy about this, as you can hear. And now we're just going to throw some bacon on top of that. Everybody loves bacon. Can't go wrong with bacon. Gonna throw a couple red and butter sweet pickles. A little bit of applesauce on top. And a little bit of chipotle mayo. We're gonna put the bun on top. And there's our creation, folks. So here we have it, folks. It's the apple fritter pork burger. There it is. I'm gonna try this baby. It smells great. A little sticky, but hey, here goes nothing. Wow, it works. The flavors are incredible. The bacon is beautiful on that pork. The applesauce works with the pork burger. And those butter pickles, those bread and butter pickles with the crunch. This is a bomb. Are you gonna be able to eat this? I certainly am. Make sure that you, I'm still eating, like us on YouTube, follow us on YouTube, make sure you subscribe. And we're gonna be doing some fun with food coming down the road again. See you again.